Hello friends, once again welcome to the new session of Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy Practical. Myself, Miss Malvi Rajendra Bhavsar, M.Pharm in Pharmaceutics. So friends, today we are going to deal with the new session or new practical of Hospital and Clinical Pharmacy. So now, let us start with our today's practical session. So today we are going to start with experiment number 18 to determine number of threads per 10 cm of absorbent cotton ribbon gauze BP. It is according to British Pharmacopoeia. So learning objectives, first intellectual skill. So student will understand the concept of evaluation of surgical dressing. They will understand the test procedure. They will be able to interpret the result. The student will also develop motor skills that include ability to count and record the number of threads and ability to follow the step procedure of testing the sample. So first we'll see theory. Surgical dressing is a term applied to a wide range of material used for dressing wound or injured or diseased tissue. Dressings are used to first provide environment of wound healing. Second, prevent maceration by permitting evaporation or absorption. Third, promote hemostasis. Fourth, protect the wound from further damage. Fifth, reduce the heat loss. Sixth, control microbial growth. Seventh, promote autolysis. Eighth, promote healing. Ninth, provide compression, promoting hemostasis and reducing edema. 10th point, provide support. 11th, they will reduce pain, increase patient comfort. Second, reduce odor. 13th, improve the appearance of wound site. And 14th, they will reduce overall cost associated with the wound treatment. Then absorbent gauze or absorbent cotton gauze. Category surgical aid for pre-operative preparation, for cleansing and swabbing, or for direct wound healing. Wound dressing. It is a white cotton cloth of various thread count and weight and length and widths, supplied in the form of rolls or fold. It is in the form of plain woven cloth. Packaging and storage. In a well-closed container such that the sterility of content is maintained until the package is opened for use. Wax paper should not be used for any wrapping in the contact with gauze as it reduces the absorbency. Then labeling. Label should indicate first its type or thread count, length and width and number of pieces contained. Second, non-sterilized or not sterilized, and if sterile, then content may not be sterile if package bear evidence of a damage or has been previously opened. And third, the name of manufacturer, packer or the distributor. These 3 points should be strictly mentioned in the label or indicate in the label. Then absorbent cotton ribbon gauze. It consists of woven fabric supplies as a ribbon of various width and fast slavage edges in which the wrap and weft threads are of cotton. It is purified, bleached to a good white and made absorbent either before or after weaving. It is practically odorless, reasonably free from weaving defect, and contains not more than slight traces of leaf residue, pericarp, seed husk, or other impurities. It is one of the continuous length wrap. Wraps are the thread running long way of the fabrics, and weft are the thread running across the fabrics. So, this diagram indicates weft and wrap. Weft means they are vertical lines or vertical thread running, and wrap are the horizontal thread, which is shown in diagram. These horizontal threads are the wrap, and vertical threads are the weft. So, these are the wrap and weft. Then apparatus required. So for this practical, we required sample, that is absorbent cotton ribbon gauze. We require scale and we require again scissor. So now procedure. Now we have to select 3 different portions for absorbent cotton ribbon gauze, because we are going to take 3 different readings and then we are going to take the average. Now determine the number of weft threads and weft threads, means vertical thread and horizontal thread in the area of 10 by 10 centimeter. So we are going to measure in 10 by 10 centimeter area. So in each of 3 places. Then after calculating wrap and weft, we are going to take the average number of threads per 10 centimeter. In the wrap and in the weft. So let's start with the actual practical session. So let us start with our practical, that is our actual procedure in the laboratory. So let's start with our procedure. Okay, so let's start with the procedure for determining the weft and weft. So today we are going to determine number of threads using this absorbent cotton ribbon gauze. This is absorbent cotton ribbon gauze. So we will measure first nearby 10 centimeter. So already I have taken this 10 centimeter. Now we are going to measure weft and wrap. Now weft is vertical thread and wraps are horizontal thread. So first we will see vertical threads. So how many vertical threads are there in 10 centimeter? So I will count that first. So there are nearby 34 wefts, that is vertical thread 44. Now we will see horizontal threads. So it is 42. So similarly we are going to repeat this procedure 3 times and then we are going to take the average for both wraps and weft. So now we will go towards the observation table. So after performing the practical, we have got the several observations. Now we have to prepare the observations table. So it will include sample number, number of wraps, and average wrap with number of weft and average weft. So we have taken the 3 samples 1, 2 and 3 and we got a reading for wrap as 43, 42 and 44 and the average of these 3 is 43. With for weft we got 34, 30 and 32 as a reading and the average is again average weft we got 32. So this is how we have got the observations of wrap and weft. So next we move ahead to the result. So according to British Pharmacopoeia, absorbent ribbon gauze BP should have 117 to 123 weft and 95 to 105 weft threads per centimeter per 10 centimeter. And we got number of wrap per 10 centimeter as 43 and number of weft per 10 centimeter as 32. So we have got this reading as the width and length of our absorbent cotton, our absorbent ribbon gauze, so which is 5 centimeter width. So we got this reading according to 5 centimeter. So we got number of wrap per 5 centimeter, that is 43 meter, and number of weft per 5 centimeter, that is 32. So hence the given sample complies as per BP 1993. So conclusion, we can conclude that our absorbent ribbon gauze passes the test or complies the limit of British Pharmacopoeia 1993. Thank you friends, thank you very much for the attending this practical session. Thank you very much.